before the video starts today, I just want to give you like a preface that this was just for fun. I don't actually like the way it sounds. It was way too loud. But before anybody gets in the comments and says that I'm a dumb kid who just likes to be as loud as possible, it's not true. I'm just doing this for fun. I just did it for a video. I was bored. So with that being said, let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, so I kind of just had the slight urge today. I'm going to a car show later, and I'm kind of bored right now, so I was thinking possibly just removing the cat back system off my exhaust, just to see what it sounds like for one. For two, I have cams in the car and I can't really hear them with the stock exhaust, so I'm wondering if I pull off the stock exhaust and it's just open downpipe, that I will be able to hear it possibly. And if not, then I can start adjusting my cam timing from there, so that you can hear the cams. I kind of have a feeling I need to advance the timing a little bit at idle. But we'll see. So first things what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off those 2 bolts at the base of the downpipe, pull out that adapter, fire it up, see what it sounds like, and then if the tune looks good, everything's running correctly, it's not running rich or lean or doing anything weird, then I'll pull the whole cat back out. It's only like 5 hangers, 2 bolts, so we're going to give it a shot. Alright, so that was all it took, just those 2 bolts, and then I got this adapter out. So we're gonna give it a shot. Alright, so I got the logger pulled up so I can see everything's doing good. I'm kind of nervous it's gonna be really loud, so I'm probably going to get out of my neighborhood before I piss anybody off too bad. But let's see what it does. First startup, catless downpipe, open downpipe. Holy sh**. That sounds mean. Okay, so I can already tell I pissed my neighbors off a little bit, so I didn't want to drive anywhere because the cat back is hanging down and flopping, so I need to pull that out so it's not dragging and messing up stuff. But it sounds sick, so I think I'm gonna run with it. It looks like the AFRs were good. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the cat back off real quick. I think it's only 5 hangers, so it shouldn't take too long. But yeah, I'm gonna take care of that, and then hopefully you can go drive somewhere and not piss people off. Alright, so this shit sounds sick. It's so weird. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna need earplugs. There's so much turbo noise. It's so loud. Holy shit. Too loud. It is way too loud. It's cool, but ideally it's way too loud. This is like too obnoxious for obnoxious people loud. Yep, there's the backfire. It's like if I put a good exhaust on this thing's gonna sound sick. Like, yeah, it's not gonna be loud, obnoxious loud, but it's gonna be sick.
like tomorrow or Saturday or something. Downshifting easier, oddly enough.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I wish I could do things like this more often, but it's just not practical for me to have the car like this for a long period of time. I'd like to go out, film some more footage of it, but every time I start it up, I piss off my neighbors, so I'm trying not to do that, trying not to get kicked out of my neighborhood. So we're just gonna put the stock exhaust back on it now at this point, and then I just need to wait till I have time to make my own catback system, because I don't want to buy one, I want to make it. And with school and work and stuff like that, I don't have time right now to do it, so I'm gonna have to wait till I have like my winter break or something to do it. But just hearing what it sounded like that, once I get an actual exhaust on it, that it'll tone down all the raspiness of it, and have a good muffler on there. I'll just get the same like deep tone, but a lot cleaner and a lot less loud. It should sound great. I'm hoping there's still gonna be the turbo whistle. I think there will be. But yeah, I think it sounded pretty good if it was just, you know, a lot quieter, same tone. I think it's great. So time will tell once I make the exhaust, and we'll see what it sounds like after that. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe down below. I'm going to be doing a lot more driving videos with the car now that it's running good. If you want to see some of the engine build videos, also check down below in my channel, watch those videos. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.